cloudy this morning and a bit of wind in the air as well, so that might be affecting the sound quality. Anyway, got myself a cup of tea. Okay, not much work today regarding my driving, but I'll be busy in the back garden. It's a pretty of a messy job in there, so for this one I'm going to put on my my gloves. Anyway, I'm running out to Highworth to pick up and to take to Cirencester, so I'll crack on with that. You know, if you come up, and I've not had that yet because I'm a very kind of laid back sort of a driver. I don't get up people's backsides and cause a problem. Yeah. But if someone was to come at you from the window and give you some grief, or there's some incident or whatever going on, then you can flick it on and you can record it and give the evidence to the police if you have to. That is, yeah. So that's another reason why I kind of have it with me. Just when I want to get out into the garden, it's absolutely just chucking it down. I want to get that sorted out down there, and today is the only day I can do it. Right, it stopped raining, the sun is out, which means I can then crack on with the garden. I need to cut the grass. This was £155 to fill up and then take it away, so it's a reasonable size, I think. So basically what it is, you put all your rubbish in that, and then a skip lorry comes along and then it grabs hold of these things and it takes it away and you don't ever see it again. So I'm going to put that out there. Yeah, I normally fill up 1 or 2 of these a year. Just the amount of stuff you actually accumulate is quite a lot. Regarding the solid door, I think I'm going to have to saw that in half somewhere, I think. Cut that in half. Hello there. Yeah. Can I put it here for a day or so? Is that okay? Yeah. No. Yeah. Get rid of it. Thank you. So just at the back there we've got that's a library there. The football challenge. to try and knock it in there. This thing's going in the skip. It don't belong to me, it's my son's, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some bits off of it, things like foam, you know, stuff like this, and it might come in handy someday for something.
Right, said Fred, both of us together, one each end and steady as we go. Tried to shift it, couldn't even lift it, we was getting nowhere, and so we had a cup of tea, and right, said Fred, give a shout to Charlie, up comes Charlie from the floor below. After straining, even and complaining, we was getting nowhere, and so we had a cup of tea, and Charlie had a think, and he thought we ought to take off all the handles, and the things what held the candles, but it did no good, well I never thought it would. All right, said Fred, have to take the feet off to get them feet off, wouldn't take a mo. Took its feet off, even took the feet off, should have got us somewhere, but no.
You okay? Huh? Yeah, it's all yours.
No,
Take it away if you want, help yourself.
No!
Put it in your back garden, because your back garden looks like that skip.
No,
You'll be ashamed of that. You'll turn out to be very bad neighbours, by the way.
Why?
Well, noise at night, shouting and arguing. I hear moaning and groaning from your bedroom. What are you doing in there? You got a man in there or something? You're stepping on. This is my property.
No!
Out, get out then.
Awful!
Yeah, right. Let's have a look at your garden, shall we?
Awful.
Yeah, what's happened to it?
I don't know.
What happened to your door?
Wind.
Wind?
Yeah.
Well, the police broke in, I expect. Police broke in on a raid, didn't they? Present for you.
No, I don't want it.
It's for 5-year-olds.
I know it is.
Keep yourself occupied with that for a long time. I'm gonna dig this up. I'll just chuck it in the skip.
No, you won't.
I'll chuck it in your garden. The skip.
No, you won't.
The skip number 14. You can put your false teeth in that if you want.
Get off.
I'm kind to you. I'm giving you all this free stuff. And you don't want it.
No.
Want anything else? Anything in the skip you can just take if you want.
No.
No? I don't mind taking it out and put it in I'll put it in your garden later.
No, you won't.
Put it in the garden later.
No.
I'll just empty it.
No.
It'd improve it.
No, sorry.
Obviously you're collecting rubbish over there. I just want to give you some more.
Then coming in.
You can have that if you like.
No.
Be two of the kind. You're both pink. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway.
None at all.
Bugger off. Bugger off. And then put your foot. There you go.
Take that.
There you go. You can put your eyeballs in there.
No, you won't.
Anyway. I'll see you later, Claire.
Yeah.
Take care. All right.
Yeah.
Love you. Oh, she's nutty. Okay. We're closing it for. Don't close it. I've got to go back out there. Nosy neighbours.
Right,
You're going to show me now.
that's Lee Willis's. That's
Very
what's-
nice. Very nice, Lee Willis,
Hang
if
on.
you're watching. He watches my videos, by the way. I'm very jealous. We're all going to move to Ipswich.